Email marketing. With our easy-to-use editor, it's as simple as creating content and hitting send. But then what? How do you know if it's working, reaching the right customers, even getting looked at? Lose the mystery with advanced reporting. With this cool new tool, you'll get valuable insights into how your contacts are interacting with your emails, like which subject line has the highest open rate, what time of day is best to send your emails, where customers are clicking, and more. It's everything you need to improve the performance of your next campaign. We'll show you just how your customers are viewing your emails, whether on computer or mobile device, Android or Apple, even by which browser they're using. That way, you'll know exactly how your emails should be created for optimal viewing. Got customers from other countries or regions? Our geographic breakdown shows you where those visitors are coming from so you can adjust content and languages accordingly. You'll even learn what the best time of day is to connect with those out-of-town contacts. With heat maps, you'll learn where your recipients are clicking and how they're interacting with the content. Are they clicking at the top or bottom? Do they prefer buttons over images? Now you'll know, and you'll be able to design your next campaign with those insights in mind. Did you know that 33% of recipients open email based on subject line alone? Our subject line optimization tool will help you understand which subject lines get the attention of your contacts, and ultimately get your emails open. Do your emails have a higher open rate in the morning, afternoon, or evening? Is Monday better than Friday? Or does Wednesday get the best response? Our time optimization tool will let you know the optimal time to send to your lists. And speaking of lists, say you collect email addresses in-store, at local events, and from your website. Because your email campaign goes out to everyone in these three groups, you can never be sure which addresses are bringing you the most business. Until now. Multiple list metrics help you see which list performs the best when you send an email and which messages or campaigns resonate with each audience. So don't just hit send and hope your next email campaign gets you customers. Unlock the power of advanced reporting and improve every campaign every time you send one. Available now on our Pro Plan.